this part, we will be introducing the induction motor. In the induction motor, the voltages are induced on rotor bars through the magnetic fields created by the stator, and that is why it's named induction motors. Construction of an induction motor, we have the stator and we have the rotor, and it is laminated so that eddy current effects can be reduced. Rotor construction parts. Now, as discussed previously, we have two types of rotors. We have the squirrel cage rotor and we have the phase wound rotor. Why is it called a squirrel cage rotor? It is because the construction looks similar to an exercise wheel of a hamster or a squirrel, so they just called it a squirrel cage rotor. Let's move on to the discussion of phase wound rotors. So the only difference in phase wound rotors is that instead of having bars, the rotor has three-phase winding, which is similar to that of a stator winding. GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is AllumiaX.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.